everyone. Welcome to the show. Ask Me Now. Yes. So, Pramila, Shrishti, I think you both are from Kathmandu. Yes, Mr. Badri Karki. I
Yes,
received.
sir.
How are you, sir?
Yes, fine, sir. And you,
Yes, sir.
sir?
I'm good, sir. So I received
Okay.
your inquiry. I think you're running a school in Jhapa.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, sir, how can we help you? What?
Yes, sir. Sir, in our community school, mathematics is the very difficult subject. Students feels very difficult. So, if you give some tips to teach the students in easy way, that will be better for me.
Definitely. See, very first thing,
Yes, sir.
maths is not difficult. It is
Okay, sir.
we who have made it as a tough subject. Maths
Yes,
is
sir.
never a tough subject. Maths is the most easiest subject. If it would have not been an easiest one,
Yeah.
would we
But
have
in
found?
but in Nepal, all community schools students feel are very poor in mathematics. They feel it is very difficult, and they do not secure good marks in also exams also. That's why I am joining here to get some
Oh,
tips.
oh,
If
okay,
it is
Mr. No, this.
good, then I will join other mathematics teachers school, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Now I'll ask
Okay.
you a simple question. Please answer that. How many phone numbers you remember?
Pardon, sir.
How many phone numbers do you remember now?
Was- Sir, at first, when we have not cell phone, mobile phone, at the times we remember so many numbers. But nowadays, on our hand, we have mobile phone. Then we will not try to remember the number.
So that means you know the problem, you know the
Yeah,
solution also.
yeah,
See, I asked you a question, but you got the problem, you understood the problem. The problem was today we don't remember
yeah,
because now we have programmed our brains like everything is stored in our mobiles.
yeah.
Earlier, when we were not having mobile phones, we were having a dial up phone or the landline phones. At that time, we used to remember the phone numbers.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this is so you understood if we will not use our brain, what will
Yeah,
happen? What will happen one day? It will
yeah,
stop working. Now
yeah,
you cannot remember the numbers. So please understand this fact. Please put this in the case of students. Now in Nepal, in your country, you are allowing students to write the exams with the help of calculators.
yes,
And
sir.
then you expect them to do mathematics. Why will they do mathematics?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand my point?
Yes, I'm understanding.
See, when they don't, I have visited so many schools, institutions, universities in Nepal. Last
Yeah,
last month, September, I was having a session in Tribhuvan University also. Sainik Vidyalaya, near you, Viratnagar School. Now, but the thing common between all of them is students don't have this as a challenge. They know if you ask them, if you give them a question, if you ask them a challenge in mathematics, they say we'll solve it on the calculator.
yeah,
So they have become so much dependent on these gadgets, on the
yeah,
calculators. So when they know they'll be getting calculators to write the exams, why will they try to do mathematics?
yeah,
Got the root cause. So this is the root cause why your students are not taking interest in mathematics.
yeah.
So I can agree on that because you cannot change your syllabus, you cannot amend it. It has the government which has to take the action against it. But we can take small steps which will bring a bigger change. Now, what are the small steps? Let's
Yeah.
request them, let's ask them to start using their brains. And for that, we need to support them. We need to give them different techniques where their solutions would be much easier, faster, and simpler. And here teachers, principals, parents, they have to play a leading role. Now, generally, what is happening is, with due respect, I'm saying, a teacher is learning, or anybody is learning up till he's getting a job, or he's setting up some classes. The moment he gets a job or set up his classes, he stops upgrading himself. And this is what has happened with our teachers or mathematics teachers in particular, if I talk about. See, when you understand these Vedic maths concepts, they are not tough. They are very simpler. I can guide you right now also and you'll understand. But the point would be why these concepts were not understood or not taken into consideration for so long. And the answer you'll be getting from the teachers is, sir, we have been taught in this manner, so we are teaching in the same manner. So that means we are not trying to upgrade ourselves. We are limited to whatever we were taught earlier. Now, this is not the right way to understand, not the right way to become a guru. Got my point? This is where we are lacking. We need to upgrade us, right? Yes, any Abhihan Khatiwada, you are also from Japa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what do you do?
Sir, I'm a student from class 9A.
Class 9. Should I ask you some question regarding mathematics?
Yes, sir.
Up till which number you know tables?
Oh, sir, I'm not sure about it.
No, the answer could be any. You just have to tell me the number. You're saying I'm not
Yeah.
sure about it. What's to be sure about it? You have to
I
answer,
think,
or somebody else has to answer.
sir, 12, up to 12, I think so.
I think so. You're not sure about yourself.
No, sir.
Why so? So that means you're not having confidence. Now, can I ask you one question? What
Yes, sir.
goes wrong in the table of 13? 1, 3.
I don't know, sir.
You know up till 12. You said just now.
Yes, sir.
What happens in 13? Why don't you understand 13, or why cannot you do 13?
Sir, I can't remember it.
Why is the need to remember? It is so simple to do it.
So can you teach me the way?
I can teach you everywhere. Where is the confidence? First thing is this. Why you are not able to do it? Let me understand the basic reason behind it. I'll give you. Don't worry. If you'll see, I always give such solutions. I'll do. I'll just give you. Right. Yes, Pramila, you are from Kathmandu. Okay. So how many of you are math teachers over here? Mathematics teachers? Shri Goraya Institute. Yes. You are from Shri Goraya Institute of Technology. You are from?
Sir, I'm from Koppal, sir.
Koppal. Okay. Yes. So that's in India, na? Koppal is in India near
Yes, sir, it is in India, in Karnataka.
Karnataka. Yes. How can I help you? What is your query?
Like I was surfing in the Facebook, sir. I came through this. Like as you said, like in the coming days, we are having a much importance for this Vedic maths. So I just wanted to learn this.
What do you do as of now?
Right now, I'm having my own institute, sir. One is the Sri Guru Raya Coaching Center and the Brilliant Brains Academy.
What do you teach in that, in your institute?
Right now, like the tuition classes are going on, communication skills, computers, and abacus, and a brain training. This all things is going on, sir.
So do you know what is Vedic mathematics?
Like I'm aware of it, sir. I mean, some of our techniques I know regarding this because since 1 year I'm working on this.
Mhm.
So I'm having an idea regarding it, sir.
Okay. Now you might be knowing why this is important for particularly you. See, these people are from Nepal, so they can do it today also or later on. But why it is very important or very urgent need of yours is our government of India has implemented National Education Policy 2020.
Yes. Yes, sir.
As per that, Vedic mathematics is compulsory. Correct? It has to be taught in every school. Now, if I say you might be now you are from Karnataka, so you might be knowing Shri Ravi Shankar ji, Art of Living. You know about Art of Living? Okay, I think disconnected.
No,
Yes,
sir. Art of living. I know, like it is in Copper also.
yes.
You know,
So they have their schools called as SSRVM.
probably, you know,
Okay.
Ravi
Yes,
Shankar
sir.
Vidya
probably
Mandir. So I'm already teaching their teachers for
bracket
Vedic.
x comma y
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Utsav, anything?
equals to 2
Utsav,
comma 1.
yes. So see, this is the first phase going on where teachers are being taught, and then it
Okay.
will be implemented in the school curriculum. So many
Correct.
schools are already implementing in even Karnataka, I would say in Bangalore, so many schools have implemented this subject.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So it is the need of the hour,
Yes.
right? Later, I'll share you all the details how it is done, but why it
Yes.
is important is because students find it useful. It is easy, faster, and very simpler. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, my sort of thing is like even like as I told you, like I'm having a bit knowledge regarding this. Like I'm able to solve the problems like this 2D into 2D, 3D into 3D, and basics of Vedic mathematics. Whereas I find difficult like in this algebra, geometry, trigonometry. So in this angle, I'm looking it out, sir.
Now, why you are finding it difficult is you know maximum things because you have
Yes.
already done a backers. But now there is one thing. One thing is you know, and one thing you can train further. Now, what is
Yes.
the
Yes.
difference? The difference comes is sometimes we know everything, but we don't know how to present it further. Right?
Correct. Correct.
Now, what happens? Okay, let me ask you: if you have to teach a student of third class, what you'll
Yes.
start with in Vedic maths? And if
Sir,
you have to
usually
teach,
according to my experience, I mean, like I will start with Shuddh, sir. Shuddh.
Shuddha method of addition.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. And if it is for the sixth class,
Sixth class, I can teach Shuddh also. Like after Nikilam Navatashe Karamam Dashat, I can teach them fractions as well.
mhm. And what about vinculum numbers?
That's what I am aware of it, but I don't know. Like Veniculum means like complementary, sir.
No, vinculum is a different thing.
Ah.
Without vinculum, half of Vedic maths cannot be done.
Yes, I'm not having knowledge regarding it, sir. Then,
Because no, very few teachers teach that topic. For
yes.
example, if I ask what is 35 minus 55 plus 85 minus 40 minus 60 plus 20. Now, this is a question of simultaneous addition and subtraction.
Yes, sir. Correct. Correct, sir.
Now, this is not possible in our conventional mathematics,
Correct.
but it is possible in Vedic mathematics. And for Vedic mathematics, we need to understand vinculum numbers for this.
Okay.
Because
Yes, sir.
the negative numbers would be converted to vinculum, and then only we'll be able to solve this.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have my number. You can connect to me in the morning. We'll talk in depth over it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shiksha. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, like I mean, when actually the next the program is going to start, sir? I mean, the course.
See, course is scheduled for 2nd December, but 2nd December date, this earlier batch is not completing. So within 2-3 days, one batch is going to start. I take only 6 teachers in one batch.
Okay.
And
Yes, sir.
that would be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 to 11 p.m.
In the night. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
9 to 11
Yes.
p.m. So it will
Like,
go for
I mean,
12, 13 weeks.
9 to 11 p.m. sir. Like financial aspects we'll discuss tomorrow, sir, or what?
No, it's open, nothing like that. I don't have anything hidden agendas. It's very
Yes.
clear, given open. 15,000 is the fees in which you get one set of books free.
Okay.
And I take only 6 students at one time. That is the big main thing. So that every student of mine, he should turn up to be a trainer, not a mere learner. See, there is a
Okay.
difference. Now, what is the problem is, we know so many topics, but we are not confident that we can further teach because we don't know what is the first step, what is the second, and how to go further. Correct?
Correct. Sir.
So
Yes, sir.
just see my books. You'll get the brief idea. Even if you don't, if you have certain idea, you can just have a books and you can start teaching. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like I'll make it out, sir. I mean, like for the next batch, I'll be done.
What's your
I
name?
mean, sir, Raghavendra Kulkarni, sir.
Okay, Rajendra. Right? Yes, Shailesh, you are from? Shailesh? Anyone else who has some questions?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Abhiyan, please go ahead.
So can you explain me what is Vedic mathematics?
Yes, Vedic mathematics is what makes our mathematics simple, easy, and faster. Now, I'll give you an example of this. Just now,
Okay,
I
sir.
asked you one question.
Yes.
Why you know up till 12 only? Why not 13? Now, what is happening is in maths, we can solve one question with the help in one way only. Correct. But in Vedic math,
Yes,
the
sir.
same question can be solved in number of ways. Okay, I'll give you one simple thing. How do you
Okay,
write on paper? In which direction? How do you write on paper?
sir. I'll hold it by my right hand and
It is
sir,
from
how to explain?
left to right.
Oh, left to right. Oh, yes, sir.
How do you write paper? Left to right.
Sir, I didn't understand you.
पेपर को कैसे पढ़ते हैं? लेफ्ट साइड से पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं, राइट साइड पे जाते हैं, लिखते
Sir,
कैसे हैं? लेफ्ट साइड से
left
लिखते
side.
हैं, राइट साइड से करते हैं. ठीक है.
Yes,
अभी
yes, sir.
अभी आप जहां भी बैठे हैं अपने सामने देखिए, सबसे पहले आपको जो लेफ्ट साइड पे चीजें पड़ी होंगी वो दिखेंगी और फिर राइट हैंड साइड की दिखेंगी. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
सब कुछ आप लेफ्ट से राइट करते हैं,
Hmm.
तो मैथ राइट टू लेफ्ट करते हैं. हंसने को नहीं कहा मैंने जोक नहीं मारा, मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन किया है. उल्टा क्यों करते हैं? समझ आया? इसीलिए आपका मैथ स्लो है. ये जो हम यूरोपियन वे में चल रहे हैं ना, यही कारण है हमारा मैथ स्लो होना. अभी मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, व्हाट इज 1 2 3 4 5 into 11? आप उसको कितनी देर में कैलकुलेट करेंगे? बट वैदिक मैथ्स में 1 3 5 7 9 5 ये आप भी सीख सकते हैं. या सेम चीज आप सीख सकते हैं विद इन 10 to 15 minutes. So that is the power, that is the simplicity of Vedic maths. अगर डिफाइन करने चाहें तो इट इज अ जर्नी ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम फियर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स टू कॉन्फिडेंस इन मैथमेटिक्स. एक बच्चे की नजर से या एक माँ बाप जब सोचते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा, सो यू अटेन अ फीलिंग, यस आई कैन. अगर आपके मन में ये बात आ जाती है, यस आई कैन, तो क्या कोई चीज जिंदगी में आपको मुश्किल लग सकती है?
नहीं, sir.
That is what confidence Vedic maths gives you. And in other ways, it gives you the ability to think. Shailesh, no problem. You can give me If there is a problem in your mic,
Opportunity.
you can share your WhatsApp number or your number. I'll contact you in the morning, or Mr. Umesh will contact you. Right? He's from Dhangadi. So not an issue. And Kathmandu, I'll be on 3rd or 4th. I'll be there in Kathmandu itself. We have some sessions.
I'm from Japan.
Yes, Hema. Anyone else who has questions, any query, any doubts you have in regarding Vedic maths?
Sir, can I share something?
Yes, please.
I'm from Rohtak, sir. My name is Satish Kumar Jha.
Okay.
I have a school nearby Rohtak at Garuda. Though I am science teacher there, I am founder member of the school too. I'm very inspired with the Vedic mathematics that is going on over the social medias, or I found somewhere. And some of the tricks you shared in the YouTubes, or I found it over there, and it was very convincing, and I found it worthful. So uh, I how can I want to know that, is it spiritual or scientific? Means what sorts Vedic means what? Is it
I'll give you. Vedic, the name, why is it called Vedic mathematics? Very first thing, right? This is your question. Now,
Okay.
Vedic, the word Vedic means ocean of knowledge, correct? Now,
Yeah.
also why it is called as Vedic, because it is believed to be originated from our Vedas. Do you know how many Vedas we have?
4 Vedas?
Yes. So Rigved, Samved, Yajurved,
Surved,
and
Atharved.
Atharved. So this
Correct.
particular subject that is believed to be originated from our Atharveda. The Veda that deals with mechanics, sculpture, medicine, and all the sciences which we are aware of. Correct. Now, who gave this subject? Who gave this subject in this format to us? Who is known as the father of Vedic mathematics? So he is Swami Bharti Krishna Tirachi. He's Shankaracharya at Govardhan Peeth. Now, Govardhan Peeth is in Jagannath Puri, that is in Orissa, India.
Correct.
Right. He was Shankaracharya over there, and he gave us this subject. Right. In this, if we technically, if we talk about the definition, technical definition, so it is just a collection of techniques. What is the technique? It is a methodology or the method to solve a problem. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas. Now in maths you call it as formulas,
Yeah.
or in Sanskrit or in Vedic you call it as sutras. So it is a
Sutra.
collection of techniques or formulas or sutras which helps to make our mathematical calculation easy, simple, and faster. And believe me, any type of problems you have in mathematics, right from your mathematical basic operations, arithmetic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, to squares, cubes, square root, cube roots, divisibility, or further magic squares, anything, algebra, calculus, conics, trigonometry, geometry, organic chemistry, everything can be solved. All the mathematical calculations can be done with the help of that 29 sutras and sub-sutras.
Okay.
Right. And why you are saying it is nowadays very popular on social media? Because your neighboring country, that is India, in India, this subject has been made compulsory, mandatory as per National Education Policy, which was amended in 2020. But due to Corona, it is still to be implemented. It is being implemented. So in the first phase, teachers are being taught. For example, if I talk about in my state, I belong to Haryana, so I'm training all the government school teachers in this subject. I'm training one more chain of schools. Like I just told, SSRVM schools. So many institutions are coming up. If you talk about your Nepal, they are not back. Even in Nepal, I gave a lecture in Tribhuvan University on 6th of September, Sainik Vidyalaya. So many schools in Kathmandu, Biratnagar, Hetauda, your Kelali district, your Nepalganj, so many areas that they are already doing. So people who are getting aware, they are doing it because ultimately, what is the aim of the school? The aim
Generate
is
talented students
is
who can sub. Yeah,
the first thing is students should come out to be confident.
confidential.
And due to this just fear of mathematics, they are going down and down. Right? Like somebody just now from Japa, he was telling he's in ninth standard. In ninth standard, if you say, I know table up till 12, I don't know 13, where is your confidence? And it's not his fault. It's not at all his fault. Because you people have the picture in the mind, he will get the calculators in the examination hall, so why should we learn?
Yeah.
And that is the
Correct.
reason why you are spoiling your education system. That is the reason why students are going down and down and losing confidence in mathematics. Don't take it, oh, it's only mathematics. No. In one subject means entire journey is finished.
Correct.
Correct. Okay, you cannot avoid. Can you avoid mathematics?
No.
So when we cannot avoid it, why not to conquer it? And it's not tough. It is just understanding of the patterns. If we understand the patterns once, things are done.
Correct.
Correct. So I'll be there in Kathmandu also on 2nd or 3rd. I have some sessions. So we're looking further for more sessions in different schools. If you're looking forward for some, so you can share your contact number. Mr. Umesh will try to reach you, or you can reach me. I'm sharing my number also. And then we can connect back how we can help the students.
Okay. Sure, sir.
Shrishti, Hema,
Yes, sir.
Neeraj. Yes, what do you do, Shrishti?
I'm also a teacher, sir,
Which place?
from Kathmandu Deep High School.
Okay, good. So are you teaching mathematics?
Yes, sir.
Why do students have fear in maths?
Mm,
Don't know.
don't know, sir, but they are scared to do add and subtract, multiply, divide. They are so confused. In add, we have to do left to right, now, and in subtract, they have to right to left. No?
So if we give you the simple solutions, then
You can hear us, sir.
we have workshops. We have workshops every Saturday and Sundays. Last week only I taught Reliance School, that is in Kapan. So 16 teachers were there. So every week schools are coming and we are training online also and offline whenever I'm there in Kathmandu, or even my trainers, they are there. We are doing. Yes, anyone else? Any questions you have? Kapil Thapa, Hima, Gokarna. See, the very first thing is you have to come up with your queries. If you have queries, I'll give you the solutions. But if you don't have the queries, how can I give you the solutions? Right? So that much confidence you have to have.
Okay, so let me ask a question. I'm from Kathmandu. So I subscribed to the workshop that you had provided, but because I did not have time, so I could not join it, unfortunately. So I just wanted to know how long does it take to be a tutor? Like you were mentioning that I want my student to be a tutor, not a learner. So how long does it take? Does it take a year long or 2 years long, or within a month we can within months? Can we be how long is it the how long is the course? I just wanted to know that, sir.
See, if you go now, this very first thing, let me tell you one thing. To become a tutor, even one's age is less. Got my point?
Yes, sure, sure.
Entire life, we cannot finish learning. But yes, if you talk about training of Vedic mathematics, so it hardly needs 70 hours, 68 to 70 hours training, right? And after that, you are able to teach students up till 10th, 12th classes in arithmetics as well as algebra. But yes, it's not finished because maths is not arithmetic and algebra. Then comes trigonometry, geometry. But for that, I I always recommend first practice this, first teach the students who are looking for this. Once you have that confidence, then go for a 2 week training on that and you'll do, right? Because reason I'll tell you. See, Vedic maths is not a different subject. Very first, understand this thing. It is how to do mathematics differently. So when you know entire mathematics, you know everything. So then Vedic maths is not tough. It is because you are doing it in a simpler manner. So you will be enjoying it and you will be able to do much easier and faster. So around uh, 70 hours is sufficient.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We have already taught so many trainers in Nepal. In Kathmandu also one has been done, two. And Umesh from this Doti, he is there. Then from Jhapa, one student is there, Suraj. Then two more students are doing. So people are doing. Yes, sometimes internet is having a problem in Nepal, but otherwise they are doing. So you get a video recording also. Second thing you said, Neeraj, you subscribed to the workshop and then you could not attend.
No, no,
So
no. So that workshop was not the one that you're mentioning before. It was like very short. I guess so. Right?
that's what I'm saying. If
I was in contact with Umesh sir actually, but because I did not have too much time, so I could not attend it. I think it was more 2 or 3 days, I guess.
see, workshop is always for 2 days. Did you register for that?
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, I actually
Paid,
registered.
you paid for that.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
So no problem. You can do that workshop anytime throughout the year, anytime. Every week we have such workshops, so you can do anytime. And if your number is with me, I might have sent you the message. Yes, you can do
Yeah,
now.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am in contact with you and Umesh sir as well.
Okay, you can do anytime, not an issue. This week, next week, you can do anytime, whenever you get time. See, now that is the point. Why do we make resolutions every year and then postpone it? Why? Do you know the reason?
No idea, sir.
Just now, even search for Bhagavad Gita. You know, with whenever you have a positive thought, whenever there is a positive thought, there is always a doubt associated.
Correct.
I'll give you an example. Just think, I'll start meditation from tomorrow. And tomorrow morning, when you'll wake up, you'll say, oh, let me start from tomorrow. You think, ki, I'll start studying from tomorrow. So these are positive thoughts. Or you start thinking something concrete, positive, educative. But the moment you'll think, I have to go to movie tomorrow, then whatever happens, you will go to movie. Now, I don't mind, I'm not saying movies are negative, but yes, this is a test of a nature. With every positive thought, you have a doubt associated or linked to it. So please, whenever you have a doubt, understand that this was a positive thought and I have to do it. So that is the reason every year, every new year, we make some resolutions and every first day we finish it. So dreams remain dreams. They don't convert to reality, right? Yes, anyone else? I have to hurry today. So please.
लाइट मारा ना
Yes, Mr. Sharpa, any question?
खत्म हो बैंक छिटो ऊपर लो
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Abhiyan.
Sir, I had a question related Vedic math.
आप पूछिए.
Sir, is Vedic maths related to Sanskrit?
It's not related to Sanskrit. मैंने अभी बताया वैदिक का मतलब ये है कि वेदास में से लिया गया है. संस्कृत इसलिए कहा जाता है जो सूत्र हैं, जो उनके नाम हैं. देखिए, अगर पुरानी बात करें तो सारा कुछ ही संस्कृत से निकला है. जो हमारे वेद हैं पुराने, वो सारे कौन सी लैंग्वेज में लिखे गए हैं? वो हिंदी में नहीं है. तो ये तो पुरातन लैंग्वेज तो थी संस्कृत, अब लैंग्वेजेस बन गई. So we'll not say it is associated with or not. वो तो सारा ही वहीं से है. पर जो नाम होते हैं ना उनके, वो संस्कृत में ही है. बट पढ़ने में आपको दिक्कत नहीं आती क्योंकि वो सारा इंग्लिश में कराया जाता है. सिर्फ नाम को रटना है तो थोड़ा सा संस्कृत का नाम आता है. जैसे निखिलम नवतय कर्मम दशतय, ये एक सूत्र है, सेकंड सूत्र है. निखिलम नवतय कर्मम दशतय. अब इसको इंग्लिश में याद करना हो तो ऑल फ्रॉम 9 लास्ट फ्रॉम 10 फिनिश, या शॉर्ट में है निखिलम सूत्र. करेक्ट. सो ऐसे हो जाता है. इट्स नॉट, सी द पर्पस शुड बी क्लियर. सो Vedic math supports you in your education system. It makes you confident, makes you feel, yes, I can. Got it? Go karna shrestha. Anyone else has any query left?
Sir, means we are having the workshop on every Friday and Saturday?
Every Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, Saturday and Sunday.
This Saturday, I think we will not be having because I'll be there in Kathmandu itself. So travel would be there. Otherwise, every Saturday, Sunday is there. Still, you can register and that would be, if shifted also, then also we'll intimate.
Okay.
Shrishti, multiplication tables, easy way. Yes, Shrishti, you can share your WhatsApp number. I'll share you the last recordings. Otherwise, you can join the workshop. Tables you'll be learning within one day itself. And then even you will not have any doubt left. Like, for example, I generally ask to the teachers how much time they need to write a table of 89. So people answer it 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but they can write within 10 seconds. So that much fast you can be, or your children can be, right? So Mr. Umesh will share you all the things, and even I'll share you. Yes, anyone else?
Sir,
Yes, sir. बोलिए.
do you travel to any other cities of Nepal?
कौन सी? विराटनगर आया था, झापा आया था, और बोलिए.
When did you came?
डेट नहीं, मैं क्या 3 जुलाई 6 जुलाई था शायद विराटनगर में.
Okay, sir.
बताइए.
Sir, I live in Birtamor, so I thought you could come there.
बेटा मोड़ तो क्रॉस किया था ना, जब बॉर्डर क्रॉस करना तो बेटा मोड़ तब आता है ना.
Yes, sir.
आया था. How can we make maths more practical, sir? You need to understand. You need, see, just simply saying more practical. So practical examples देने चाहिए. Why? What is the practical use of subtraction? That is money transaction. So this way you have to make them aware. And very first thing, you have to give them different ways. See, it's not only ki ye, go this way. allow them to think. And that is what this subject gives you, ability to think, ability to think in a different manner. Right? But people are doing, you can check on Google also, research are being conducted on this subject, and there are very favorable results. Right. So, sorry for today. I'm just in some hurry. I have to reach somewhere. And so any questions, please ask. Otherwise, we'll have a next session on Thursday. Yes.
Sir, have you visited St. Xavier's School from Nepal?
No.
Not any schools of Xavier Institute.
Sir, I don't go on my own. If they invite, then only I'll go. Na?
Oh, okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Anyone else? So we'll meet, we'll have a next session on Thursday. And whatever your doubts are, you can contact me. I have shared my number, or you can also keep in touch with Umesh sir. He'll be sharing you all the details, whatever is your requirement, right? So thanking you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.